Like working on this like networking tool to connect different stakeholders in the ecosystem. So yeah, so it could be more efficient and people can like sort of find opportunities that they wouldn't be able to find otherwise.
Hi, I'm Bryan Colligan from Alphagrowth. Today we're here at the Blockchain Connect 2019 conference. I'm here with Link of Network.fund. Link, how are you?
Well, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent. Thank
Lots
you for
of
asking.
people here, huh?
Yeah, it is. We're at the Starfish Lab and booth.
Yes.
Yeah, they hosted us.
Very cool.
It's amazing.
It's a cool space. Yeah, I've been there.
Yeah. So tell me about Network.fund.
So I was a researcher at String Labs, which is a parent company of Definity.
Okay.
Definity helped to like build a community, so I learned a lot about sort of like what's important in sort of like helping to grow these networks.
Yes.
And originally I had started to like sort of do a hedge fund to invest into these emerging protocols. So that was before sort of the ICO craze started. But then I left Wall Street in 2013 to move to Silicon Valley, and I was like, well, I'm not gonna build another fund to compete with all these other funds, right? Like, what can I do to like sort of like create a different investment game, right? Rather than just like competing on alpha, based on alpha with other funds on an annual basis, right? And just doing the same thing. So basically, since then I've been developing Network, which is this like open source network base, sort of similar to like AngelList, Crunchbase, but these type of networks, you have to pay a subscription, right?
Right.
And so a lot of this information is not really freely available, and it's also very difficult to really connect with people because it's just convoluted and there's so much stuff on there. And just generally, I think we're here. Everyone is here today to like connect with someone, right?
Exactly.
Find an investor. Learn about a new project, and so I think the space just needs to have more actual collaboration. So that's why I'm like working on this like networking tool to connect different stakeholders in the ecosystem.
Awesome.
So it could be more efficient, and people can like sort of find opportunities that they wouldn't be able to find otherwise. Because not everyone is Vitalik, who has like sort of this overview and perspective over the space, right? A lot of people getting into the space, learning about it. So I think it's important that we sort of build tools that help people to like break into this.
That's a great point, because like more people are not in crypto than are actually in crypto and blockchain.
Yeah, exactly.
So if they don't have that same onboarding and on-ramp and that educational process, it's not going to really, they're going to be, where do I go? What do I do? Who do I learn from? Maybe even get scammed from like individuals who like are not as, if the tools aren't there.
Right. Yeah, exactly. I mean, like, it's a little bit daunting when you first learn about this, especially now, like, after sort of like the bubble popped a little bit and prices like decreased. The media is sort of reinforcing sort of like, oh yeah, it's all scammers and bad things. And especially because crypto has so many different sides to it, right? There's a lot of bad actors, there's a lot of good actors, there's a lot of different sides to it. And so there's not many places where you can go and learn about the space, right? And so when I moved here as an immigrant to the US, Facebook, when it started, was like this place where you go and you can extend your network, and you sort of network, and you find opportunities, and you find people, and like something like this doesn't really exist like in the crypto space, right? There's like ICO alerts, websites where you can learn about ICOs, but like that's not really a tool that helps you to connect to people, and especially those people not very well connected, or they're not the movers and shapers of the space. I think something like that is probably very useful for those kinds of people.
Cool. So where are you at in the process?
So I've been funding it myself, so I haven't taken any outside capital yet. We've been experimenting with different set of formats, what works, what doesn't work. We have an MVP where we sort of post projects, and then we do a lot of like off-chain sort of connections and like manual introductions. But it's just moving along, Bear market is good what time to build, right?
Exactly.
So just keep hustling, and keep hodling,
That's right. So if people want to learn more about, so you're here today, who are you looking to connect with? Who are you looking to meet?
Well, I just came to like reconnect with friends and just talk to people. Like Network.fund is a website. There's a lot of information up there. You can reach out very easy. We have a Telegram, we have a Discord.
Perfect.
Very simple.
And so get to the Telegram, get to the Discord, find out about Network.fund. Link, thank you for your time.
Cool, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you.